Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be about a movie. I'm going to be reviewing a movie, and the movie is Lionheart. I don't know how many of you have seen it. So before I saw Lionheart, I heard some people say the movie is it was overrated, it wasn't interesting, it wasn't this, it was that, blah blah blah, yada yada yada. Okay, so eventually I got to see the movie, and I must confess that the movie was dope. The movie was very interesting. What I would say about the movie is, for those of you that are not Nigerians, or for those of you that are Nigerians but don't understand the language Igbo, I would say you look for the movie that has subtitles. There you would enjoy it better. Me, I understand Igbo, so I didn't need the subtitled version. So I would really encourage you all to get the subtitled version so as you enjoy the movie more. So this particular movie now was all about business. There was no love scenario, even though there was a part where Hamza and Genevieve actually had a moment, but then it was strictly business, which was what I really loved about the movie. It wasn't like the regular Nigerian movie that we all know and sometimes refuse to watch, you get. But Lionheart is a must watch, guys. You have to watch it, and if you've seen it, I would like to know what you liked about the movie in the comment section. So please drop your comments in the comment section and let's talk more about the movie. Okay, I would also say the movie was funny. It was kind of like a comedy, because if you know Nigerian movies and you know the guy they call Osofia Nkemo, you would know that the movie was going to be, as in there will be a part where you'd have to laugh and laugh and laugh. So the movie had some funny parts, it had some serious parts, but the whole idea of the movie being strictly business was what really got me in the movie. So I would really encourage you guys to go see it. It's a must watch. Although I saw it some few weeks back, it's kind of like an old movie now, and I'm really impressed and really happy that Netflix got to buy that particular movie. It means a lot, like seriously. It means Nigerian movies are actually going to go places, you get. So like this video, drop your comments down below. For those of you that have not seen it, please go and see it. For those of you that have seen it, come, let's discuss. Drop your comments in the comment section and I'll be reading through them. Like this video, please share this video, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.